Hey y'all, quick video on how to submit a text entry for an assignment in Canvas. So if you ever have an assignment in Canvas and it asks you to type in some type of written response, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to open whatever assignment it is. You'll probably already have it open on your screen, but I'm going to open an assignment that asks for a text entry, some type of written response. So this one right here asks me to write in 1 to 2 complete sentences, giving specific details about why I chose an answer. I'm choosing a site for a city, so make sure you read all the instructions. It's always super important to read everything to know exactly what it is you're supposed to be doing. When you're ready, you're going to click this button at the top. It says Submit Assignment. So when I click on it, down below, I'm going to notice a text box opens. When I put my cursor inside the text box and click, I'm able to start typing. So the instructions for what I'm supposed to be doing are still above it. So if I need to reference what I'm doing, I can. And then I just type in here. So I would, choose, and then I would type in whatever response was needed for that specific assignment. And I would answer the question completely, go back and reread it, make sure I checked my grammar, my punctuation, my spelling, all that good stuff to get full credit for something. And then when I'm finished, I feel really good about my response. I just click the submit assignment button that's underneath the text box where I've typed everything in. So I just click that, and you'll notice at the top two things. One is you're going to see this has changed to resubmit assignment. Remember, means again, so resubmitting is submitting it again. So that's one way to know I already submitted one answer in there. The other is over here on the left, it'll say submission. You'll have this little check and it'll say submitted. It tells you the date you submitted it, the time it was submitted, and all of that good information. So you know that it went through and that your teacher can grade it. If for some reason you're asked to resubmit the assignment, to do it again, or you think, wait a second, I really wish I had said this or included this, I don't really like my answer, you can go back and click this and resubmit another assignment. Just know that your first response disappears and you have to start over completely. So that's kind of tricky for people sometimes. They expect their original work to be there and it's not. If you resubmit it, I'll show you. If you click on it, down below, you're going to notice it's a blank box and you'll have to type in a new response. So be really careful if you click that resubmit assignment that you feel really good about. Okay, I know I need to type in a new answer. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and you will be able to post the text entry assignments in the future. Let me know if you have questions, and that's it. Thanks.